How's it going, guys, and welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be bringing you a couple reasons why I think PS4 is better than Xbox One. In the future, I'm also going to be doing a video on why Xbox One is better than PS4, so you guys can see both sides of the story. And obviously, I'm going to be as objective as possible in this video. I'm not going to give you any subjective, biased information. I'm just going to be clearly objective about the specific reasons why one is better than the other. And you guys have the right to disagree with me, but if you do agree with me, that's okay too. And before the video starts, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And now let's hop into the reasons why PS4 is better than Xbox One. Okay, so the first reason on our list, guys, is a pretty simple one, and that's just price. When the PS4 first launched, it was $100 less expensive than Xbox One. Obviously, people want to go buy the better priced console. I think we can all agree on that. And to this day, PS4 Slim is like still insanely cheap. I see this thing go for $199 all the time, and you rarely see Xbox One drop to that price. The only time I've seen it drop to that price is around Christmas time, but for the majority of the PS4's life cycle, it's always been less expensive than Xbox One, which is why a lot of people pick up PS4 in the first place. So that's reason number one. Okay, so the next reason is just raw GPU power, guys. I'm going to hit you with some specs right here. So basically, the PS4 has much higher GPU power compared to Xbox One. They claim it's about 50% more, and the PS4 uses 8 gigabytes of GDDR5 RAM as opposed to Xbox One's 8 gigs of DDR3. So obviously, it's pretty self-explanatory. PS4 is using much higher quality RAM than Xbox One. And by the way, for Call of Duty, for the new consoles, I believe that PS4 runs at true native 1080p, while Xbox One is like around 900p. It does not hit that full 1080p on Xbox One. Just a fun factoid for you guys. So yeah, and the PS4 has a bandwidth of 176 gigabytes per second, if that means anything to you guys. But higher GPU power, obviously it's going to make games look and play better. Okay, so the next reason is pretty quick. I'm not going to go over this too much, but it's just basically PS4 has better support for indie titles. On Xbox One, they have to get their indie titles have to get their publishers to actually get their games on Xbox One, while on PS4, indie companies can just literally self-publish on PS4. So that's just a small thing, but okay, so the next reason I think is actually really important. It's exclusive games. This means that games are offered only on PS4. These are not offered on Xbox One. So honestly, I've read through this list. It's pretty self-explanatory. These games on PS4 are just so much better than the Xbox One exclusives. I will agree Halo is a great exclusive, but that does not come out like every year. Halo only comes out every once in a while. Halo 5 is like the exclusive on Xbox One, but that was like years ago, like 2013 or something. Listen to this list. We got Horizon Zero Dawn, Persona 5, Uncharted Lost Legacy, Spider-Man, Detroit Beyond Human, God of War 4, Death Stranding, Days Gone, and The Last of Us. Like, I don't know. You can't argue that, guys. Those games are so much better than the Xbox One exclusives. Okay, so for the last reason, I'm just going to mush it all into one, just because these are all like a bunch of small reasons. PlayStation VR. Xbox does not have a VR capable headset at the moment. People love PSVR. I've seen several videos of people doing gameplays on VR games on PS4, so that's just something that Xbox doesn't have. Okay, the next one is just like overall looks of PS4. I personally think that Xbox One looks kind of chunky. I do agree that the Xbox One S and Xbox One X are basically huge improvements over the original look, but I think the PS4 with that kind of like pyramid look looks really nice, and PS4 Pro is literally just another stack on top of that. And then ease of use, I can't really support this that much, but a lot of people claim that PS4's user interface is a lot easier to use. It is pretty simple. I'd say it's much more simple than Xbox's. Xbox's has a bunch of stuff going on. It's got those Microsoft tiles going on, and PS4 it's just swipe left and right between your like your settings and stuff. It's really easy to use. I have to support that. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for the reasons. I'm gonna be doing an Xbox video like this coming up, so don't get angry at me that I'm doing just PS4. I will have reasons why Xbox One is better. If you guys like this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, go check out my merch store and all that good stuff. Follow me on my social media, Twitter, Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next coming video. Leave me suggestions down below, and peace.